Hi, I'm Matthew Coast, dating advice researcher, and today I'm going to show you how to send text messages that make him miss you. Step number 1, make him feel good. You want him to feel good when he thinks about you, so use flirty nicknames and texts that lead to positive emotions. Step number 2, give him space. He can't miss you if you're smothering him. The magic is in the middle when it comes to the amount that you text. Step number 3, use callbacks. Remind him of fun or funny things that you've said or done together in the past. Nostalgia is one of the most powerful emotions. Step number 4, let him know that you miss him. Don't overdo this, but occasionally let him know that you miss him. This will stir up the right emotions in him and make him feel like it's okay to miss you too. Step number 5, don't always be available to text. Tell him that you're busy, but that you'd love to make time if he wants to meet up with you. This will get him to want to meet back up. If you want him to chase you through text, get the exact text messages many of my clients have used to get a man hooked. Click the link now to get the text messages.